Good morning, dear friends. Good morning, India. Jai Hind, Sathiyo. Today, I have brought a new topic, a unique topic in front of you all, and I think you will get some value from it. The today's topic is what immediate strategies India can implement to become a global power. For India to become a global power, it must implement immediately high impact strategies across multiple domains. So here's the key plan. The first one is key economic supremacy, unleashing growth and investments. India should prosper with making India the global manufacturing hub. Implement China plus one and Vietnam plus one strategies aggressively to attract multinational companies. Provide tax-free zones and quick clearance for high-value industries like semiconductors, artificial intelligence, space technology, defense, and pharmaceuticals. The next is it should expand PLI, that is production linked incentives schemes, with even faster disbursement and lower bureaucratic red tape. The second one in the economic impact is to boost MSMEs and Indian brands globally. Create a national e-commerce platform to support MSMEs in exports like Alibaba for India. Provide zero interest loans for high potential startups in artificial intelligence, electronic vehicles, and deep tech. Enforce strict Make in India regulations on government procurements. The third is financial and banking power play. In this, we can internationalize the rupee and push for oil and defense trade in INR with Gulf and BRICS nations. Launch a sovereign wealth fund to invest in foreign infrastructure and strategic acquisitions. Rapidly digitalize rural banking and integrate all payments into a single India Stack 2.0. The second major pillar where India should focus on is military and defense and become an indisputable power. India as a global arms exporter. Expand defense exports from $2 billion to $10 billion by 2020 by aggressively marketing BrahMos, Tejas, and Arjun main battle tank. Create joint ventures with African and ASEAN countries for defense production hubs. Build a 3-carrier navy and supersonic arsenal. Fast-track the third aircraft carrier and nuclear submarines under Make in India. Deploy hypersonic missiles and artificial intelligence-based swarm drones for futuristic warfare. Establish military bases in Indian Ocean hotspots like Mauritius, Seychelles, and Andaman. The third point is India as a space and cyber superpower. In this, we should fast-track military satellites for intelligence dominance, deploy offensive cyber warfare units to counter China-Pakistan threats, and then create a cyber NATO alliance with US, Japan, and Israel. The third pillar where India should focus on is energy and infrastructure, which are the backbone of superpower India. Energy independence, that is oil and renewables. In this, we can build strategic oil reserves covering 5 years of demand to reduce global dependency. Become the world's biggest green hydrogen exporter with aggressive FDI incentives. Develop Indian nuclear power 2.0 with thorium-based reactors. India holds at present 25% of the world's thorium reserves. By the way, create smart cities and bullet trains. Fast take 100 smart cities with global partnerships like UAE, Japan, Singapore. Complete Delhi-Mumbai industrial corridor and 5,000 kilometers of bullet train networks by 2035. The next is space and aviation supremacy. Privatize the ISRO's launch capabilities like SpaceX model and attract global satellite contracts. Build India's first space station by 2035 to counter China's Tiangong. The another pillar where India should focus on is the diplomatic and soft power strategy. In this, we can go for assertive foreign policy and strategic alliances. The strengthened Quad, that is America, Japan, Australia, and India as a defense economic alliance. The next is expand BRICS to counter Western dominance while balancing ties with the US. And the next is to secure a permanent UN Security Council seat by leveraging economic and military power. In this, we should also focus on cultural and media power. Expand Indian media like ZTV and NDTV into global markets with high quality journalism. Create global education hubs by attracting international students to Indian universities. Make Bollywood, Ayurveda, and yoga mainstream through aggressive cultural diplomacy. The fifth pillar where India should focus on to become a superpower or the global power immediately is the technological and innovation leadership. In this, we can go for artificial intelligence and semiconductor dominance, where we can establish India's own artificial intelligence chip industry with direct government funding. Expand semiconductor fabs like TSMC, like factories with 100% FDI allowance. The next is quantum and biotech supremacy. That means invest $50 billion in quantum computing and become the world leader in quantum artificial intelligence, that is AI. Become the global vaccine and gene therapy hub by fast-tracking biotech research and development. In the end, I would like to conclude that this road to global leadership will have a highly impactful impact on India's strategy to become a global power. By implementing these immediate high-impact strategies, India can become an economic powerhouse by competing with America and China, establish military dominance in the Indo-Pacific and beyond, lead the energy, technology, and AI revolution, and secure global diplomatic and cultural influence. The time for slow progress is over. Bold, decisive execution is the only path to make India a true global superpower. This is the moment. India must act now. Jai Hind.